Trying to figure out how to insert futures fins into your surfboard? Here's everything you need to know. Hi guys, Chris from Stoked for Travel here, or welcome back to the channel. Nice easy how to surf tutorial today on how to insert futures fins. Now if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any video goodness. And at the end of the video, there's also going to be some extra tips on your fin setup to help you out too. So yeah, let's get started. So first things first, before we insert your future fins, we just need to make sure you've got the right fin system in your board. And that's pretty easy to tell. On the future fin boxes, you've got a long singular fin box with a single tab. And the base of that fin box is also a little F for futures. Now with the fins itself, again, super easy to tell. Futures, long single fin tab on the base of the fin. In comparison, the FCSs have a dual fin system, so two tabs on the base. So yeah, if you check them both out, pretty easy to tell. Single fin tab for futures, dual fin tab for FCS. So inserting your future fins is actually relatively simple and painless. So the first thing you need to do is grab your fin key, and at the front of the box, there's a little grub screw there. So what you want to do is undo it so the box is nice and clear, and then you can fit your fin in nice and flush. Put your fin key down. Now, with the fin itself, as you can see at the back, there's a bit of a ridge in there, which you need to line up with the ridge at the back of the box. So put it in an angle and wiggle it right to the back of the box. And then what you need to do is just simply slot it in and it'll go nice and flush. Then grab your fin key again and tighten it up. Now what you feel is when it bites the fin, it'll pull the fin into the fin box just a tiny bit more. And once you get to that point, you just need to take another quarter of a turn and your fins are nice and secure. Easy as. Now another couple of quick tips if you are setting up your board for the first time and you are new to surfing, especially when you have a 5 fin setup like I have here on my Dominator 2, which offers both a quad setup and a thruster setup. Now if you are setting up a thruster setup, you'll notice that 2 of the fins are bigger than the other 2. Now the 2 biggest fins sit in the front boxes of the quads and the smaller ones fit in the back boxes, so make sure you don't mess them up. The other thing to keep in mind is the bigger fins have both a flat side and a more curved side, as you can see there. Make sure that flat side sits facing in towards the stringer of your board and the curved edge is towards the rail of the board. Don't mess that up, else your board will be all kinds of skew-if and you won't be able to surf properly. The other thing to bear in mind with that is the thruster fin, which sits in the middle box at the back of the thrusters, is curved on both edges, so just be aware of that too. Now, another thing with fin grouping, if you are setting up as a thruster, don't put all the 3 fins in these back 3 fin boxes. You want your center fin in the back center box, and then you want your other side fins in the front one. If you group them incorrectly, again, you're going to lose a lot of control and the board's just going to handle terribly. So make sure you don't mess that up either. And there we have it, guys. That's my full guide to how to insert your futures fins. Now, if you are new to surfing, make sure you check out my other How to Surf guides. There's a link in the description below to the full playlist. And also head over to the blog to check out all my surfing guides, from how to wax your board through to board reviews, kit reviews, spot guides, and more. Yeah, that's it for this week, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.